Empathy and intercultural relations. Empathy is like the glue that holds the members of society together and it gives them a sense of belonging. Teaching empathy should start at a young age. Empathy means unity, understanding the feelings of others, and companionship. The skill of empathy makes people understand the feelings and situation of others and behave according to the situation. If they don't have the skills to get along with others, the other person doesn't trust them, and as a result, they upset the person. The question is how to emphasize with others. Don't judge, don't label, and avoid inappropriate evaluation of others. Listen carefully when communicating with others. Accept and understand the other person as he or she is. To understand the feelings of other party, you can assume yourself in her or his place. Give others time to express feelings easily and love them unconditionally. Have a self-awareness skill to understand other people's feelings. In serious problems, it isn't enough to accompany, but we must get professional help. With emphasizing focus on the person, not the problem. Don't focus on discussing problems with the person and don't disagree. Establish emotional relationships with family members so that empathy takes place. Three main characteristics of empathetic people. Number one, they are curious about strangers. Number two, they question prejudices and understand similarities. Number three, they are great listeners and talk about themselves. We generally need empathy and intercultural relations so that we can have a strong society. The association of community members together reduces social crises. It reduces damage caused by natural disasters. It creates a sense of security and peace in the society. If there is no empathy, people will exploit each other and individualism grow. At the end, empathy brings people closer together and prevents social damage.